Hi everybody, if you're new here, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina, bringing to you another one of my concepts. This one I chose to use the lighted bear for, and I'm using the large wicker basket with the blue cloth lining in it that I got from Pop Shelf. As you can see, our lighted bear changes colors. I also included a purse that I put in the back of the basket, as well as the winter vanilla body lotion and bath wash from Bodycology. I rolled a towel in there and I used our gorgeous perfume from Rainbow. I also added a loofah in there, as well as the hot cold eye pads. Now I'm going to turn the bear off. When I turn him back on, all of it is one color, and they all change at the same time. I love the way the colors play off of the perfume bottle, which is gold, as well as the other items in there. I kept the perfume box in there as a filler. And as you can see, it does go to a white light as well. The bear was one that I had left over from Valentine's Day that actually didn't make it into a Valentine's basket. So I still had it here for Mother's Day, and that's what I used it for. I think this basket turned out beautifully and will make a beautiful addition for any mom or any occasion. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.